How to create Venmo account online. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a Venmo account online, so let's get started. Open your browser and go to the Venmo website at venmo.com, and you can also download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. On the home page, click the sign up button to start the registration process. You'll need to provide your name, email address, phone number and password, so make sure your password is strong for security. Venmo will send you a verification code via text to your phone, so enter the code in the designated field to verify your phone number. To send and receive money, you'll need to link a bank account, debit card or credit card. You can add this information by following the prompts. Review and accept Venmo's terms of service and privacy policy. You can read these documents carefully before proceeding. After entering all your details and agreeing to the terms, click on Sign Up to complete the process. You may need to verify your identity with additional steps depending on your location. And now you're ready. You can start sending and receiving money instantly, making purchases and even splitting bills with friends. And that's how you create a Venmo account online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.